How to fix Canva. Please unblock challenges.cloudflare.com to proceed error. Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do if you see a Canva Please unblock challenges.cloudflare.com to proceed error when trying to access Canva. So if you're stuck and can't open your designs, follow along step by step to understand what's happening. All right, let's dive in. First, don't worry. This error isn't caused by your device or internet. The problem is actually on Canva's side, which means their servers are having some issues right now. To check for updates, you can go to their status page at canvastatus.com. Here, Canva lets you know if some users are experiencing problems accessing or using the platform. Now, the main thing to do is wait a few hours. Most of the time, these server issues get resolved automatically once their team fixes the problem. You can try refreshing the page a few times, but there's nothing else you need to do. The error isn't coming from you, and that's it. Seeing a please unblock challenges.cloudflare.com to proceed error might be frustrating, but don't worry. Canva's servers will be back up soon, and your access will return to normal.